Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today is my third look with the Salt and Pepper Hot, Cool, and Vicious palette. If you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so we are going to go ahead and get started on our third look. My first look was the warm bronzy look. My second look was a collaboration with my girls of Beauty Over 40. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started with our third look of the Salt and Pepper Hot, Cool, and Vicious palette. I'll go in with this Mabeline concealer for my eyes. So there's so many looks, as you guys know, so many looks that you can do with this palette. Anywhere from simple to dramatic. Not that I've really done anything dramatic. I don't know. Maybe I should. Should I add a fourth look, you guys? I have a look in mind, of course. I think I'm going to do something smoky. So we're going to go ahead and start with our crease color, which is Beauty and the Beat. Transition color is always a good start. It's laying your foundation for everything. You know, unless you're doing some fancy technique like that Instagram technique where you start with the darkest one first. I'm kind of giving up on that. Alright, I'm gonna run that down below. You know what? I might pull this down a little bit further than what I usually do because I want it really, really smoky. So I'm gonna pull that all the way down to where my wrinkles are and below. I want it really smoky. Almost down to where my concealer would go. I think that's 1986. I also used that in my other video. And we're just going to apply that one on the lid up to the transition color. A smoky eye is one of the easiest looks to do. Really all you need is two colors, but you can definitely do 3 or 4. I think I'm going to do 3 though. As I mentioned before, these colors are, especially the matte ones, which are the ones I'm using, they are a little bit chalky. Let's see. I haven't done a black smoky eye in a while, so let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the black color. I think that one is I Desire right here. And I think for this smoky eye, I just want close to the lash line to be smoky, not the entire lid. So I'm going to concentrate that black just really close to my lash line, as you can see. And then I will blow it out from there, but not on my entire lid. All right, let's put some of that down below, bottom lash line. Let's grab a liner, my favorite liner right now. Tucker, what are you doing? Is the LA Girl Super Shock liner. Line my eye and pull it down past my lash line. Go back in with that brush. Alright, for mascara, we are going in with Tarte Big Ego. Alright, my favorite lash. These are 702s. Favorite glue, Star Glue. I don't use the black one that much because I don't do liner that often anymore. And I also feel like the dark one here doesn't dry as well as the clear one. All right, guys, so for my lippy, I'm going to use another Glitter Magic today. This one is Glitterati. It's a little bit lighter than the one I used in the wedding video. This one here is the one I used in the video. Okay, so I'm going to use this because these stay on really good. The one I used in my wedding video pretty much stayed on almost all day. Just through eating and everything. And if you layer up really good, it'll really stay. All right, guys, so I zhuzhed up a little bit, put my earrings on. So I'm going to top this lip with a little bit of my, I'm actually going to go in with that Mabeline concealer I used for a base. You guys know I love to highlight my lip. Okay. Put that right in the center. All right, guys, so this is my look for my look number 3. Really simple, easy, smoky eye. So, all right, guys, so that is it for this quick smoky eye. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHmakeup and also _beauty over40. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also turn on post notifications. That way you will be notified when I upload new content. All right, until next time, guys, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.